how to buy GVNR DAO token. So this token came under the symbol of GVNR. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on about this token, by the way, this token it's available on MEXC. So before going on about this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, first of all, what you need to do is just go and open your MEXC account. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link or create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards. Now, after that, what you need to do in the search bar, now type GVNR as you can see, and now you can select this pair that have USDT. Now click on it. So after that, wait a few seconds to load this page. Now, as you can see, you need to wait 1 day, and as you can see, you need to wait 1 day to be able to buy this token. So after this countdown it's finished, what you need to do, just click here and you can type how much you want to buy of that USDT on your account, and here you will be able to see how much you will be able to receive of that token. Now after that, click here on buy and you will be able to buy or to have that token on your account in about a few seconds to a few minutes. Now this is how to buy a GVNR token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.